Nature. President.
North Ray.
Woo! Good evening.
It's not evening, you moron.
Afternoon. What is wrong with you?
Okay,
Replay.
Start again. That's a woman.
The president of nature is nature.
It's the
President. Find on the camera.
Dude.
A superhero. Camera one.
You're in film, you know that.
Okay, the president of the nature is nature, and the children of the children.
Woo! Gwen Johnson.
President.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Woo! Afternoon, tama.
I have roamed the world
You have?
in my jet for at least 2 weeks. I have roamed the world and I've seen suspicious things. So suspicious that I hate it. I have seen
Your dick.
that there are less trees in the whole world.
That's what?
Please.
And we should kill birds for fuel. And we should not kill each other. Join forces to plant trees.
Everything.
Also, I, President Dwayne Johnson,
It's good.
will help this
Good. Hindi na alam yung word.
will help this
Campaign.
we must plant more trees and also recycle and also
Spell trees.
and also we must save water
Spell
and also pour loads of water on trees.
That's a waste.
You're wasting. DJ, two bad things. Okay, when you put loads of water, you're wasting it, and the tree over the gets too much water. They drown.
Spell trees.
Reader.
I'm the president. Don't question.
Continue. Spell trees.
And also, this bush is not green enough.
Anjay, so you
And the
Wait
leaves
natin
are
yan.
almost gone.
pick up line mo na
That's a bush.
And it smells.
Delicioso. What's up about?
We must
Finish up, Jay.
and tell your babies do not rip grass. And do not break twigs.
You just did.
Such a moron.
And never leave your cars inside your. Never leave your keys inside the car. And then close the door on it.
Never leave your tip inside your car.
And lastly, thank you. And by the way, I'm Dwayne Johnson.